game now. But first, I need a drink. It's hot. Refreshing. Catch. You're fired.
Dang it.
We'll be back in just 1 second with some big news. See you guys then. Ow. You can win shirts like this today. Magnifique! What's up with the bros?
How's it going?
Welcome to the giveaway video.
Finally. I say there's a couple spoilers in here. Let's go somewhere with a little less spoilers in it.
Dang it.
Shoot. One more time. Alright. What's up, guys?
Dude, you weren't supposed to do it yet.
Alright, let's actually get into the information.
Ow!
Before he dies. So, you want to talk about, a little bit about the giveaway?
Sure. Alright, so as you guys know, we are giving away these shirts as our lovely model showed off in the garage over that direction. We have a two-step process. Two-step, dos mas.
Easy.
Really easy. What you have to do is comment on our 1,000 subscriber video. There's also a little sprinkled in information that if you guys find it, comment that as well. No cheating. Don't copy other people's comments. Anyway, you can comment anything you want. I love the videos. Oh my gosh, Wheeler Bros, you're the best. Andrew's the best model ever. Will's fat. Whatever you want to say, you can say it in the comments. Now, second part. There's in our description down below, there's our email that you guys can go to. You guys have to put in there that you want to be entered into the giveaway. You are 18 and older and you can do that, and that's all you have to do. And if you can't do that because you're younger, then ask your parents. I'm sure that they won't mind getting t-shirts from 2 people for fun.
So, yep, all you gotta do is comment on our video and then email us, which will be in the description, and then that's all you gotta do to get entered to win.
That'll have timestamps. That's the fairest way we can do it. First 100 people will be put in a pool, 20 people pulled from that. Just so simple. So, I actually have an app designer as of right now, a good friend of mine. His name's Dakota. Love you, man. He's actually working on a software for us to be able to do that, so that way we can make it as fair as possible. Also, the Chainsaw Massacre is happening among us.
It's all good. Hey, so basically you have a 20% chance of winning. I think that's right, maths, something like that.
I don't know.
But it's real simple, real easy. It's not like all the other YouTuber giveaways where you have to buy something, yada yada.
No
all
purchase.
you do is email, and if you win, we'll send you a shirt in whatever size.
2 stickers and a shirt.
That too.
And we'll make sure to have it properly sized and all that good stuff. We'll get that information when we get there as well.
So yeah, just email us your size in that email, and then that'll take care of that issue as well.
And the only people that have access to that email account is myself and him. We can monitor that. No one else sees that. Your information won't be lost. So that eliminates scammers, eliminates stuff where you guys have to do paywalls where your purchasing stuff can be scammed.
Yeah.
So scammers and also hackers. So we should have everything covered for you guys. Hopefully you guys are interested. And feel free to continue your support. You guys have been awesome so far.
Yeah, there are many more great things to come with this channel. We just want to say thank you for the support. And as always, you got anything else to say?
Nope, just be expecting new places, new people, and new riding properties. So see that in the very future. In the very future?
In the very future.
In the very future!
See you guys.